If you are tired of IDM's outdated restrictions and constant serial key prompts, Hamax is the lightweight, lightning-fast alternative you've actually been waiting for. In this video, I am going to show you Hamax, a 100% free download manager. It can download videos from any website, make your browser downloading faster, and much more. Let's deep dive in it. Let's do a direct head-to-head comparison. First up, download speeds. IDM uses multi-threaded technology to split files into pieces and maximize your bandwidth. Hamax does the exact same thing. You get maximum absolute saturation of your internet line. Where other IDM alternatives fails are the areas like video downloading. It effortlessly scrapes and extracts clean video and audio files from any website or social platform on the internet, right down to original 4K, 8K resolution. No watermarks, no broken links, and no external converters needed. It just grabs it on the first click. Then there's the user experience. IDM is bloated, lacks a native modern dark mode, and feels incredibly clunky. Worse, if you don't pay for it, you're stuck either dealing with endless activation pop-ups or risking your PC with sketchy, cracked versions filled with malware. Hamax has native torrent downloading support while IDM lacks it. Hamax is 100% free, no ads, no data tracking, no subscription models, and zero nagging pop-ups. It gives you a stunning, modern dark-themed dashboard with an integrated media player to preview your files as they download. The official, safe download link is right down in the description below. Drop a comment and let me know how much faster your queue feels. Hit that subscribe button for more clean tech alternatives, and I'll see you in the next one.